Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete fake Instagram followers. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and delete fake Instagram followers, how do you necessarily do so? If you want to go ahead and do this, of course, all we need to do in order for us to proceed with deleting those fake Instagram followers is to hopping on the Instagram application, and then I want you to tap on your followers list. And then you could actually see these sections over here to see the accounts who don't follow you back and also the accounts that you least interacted with. Now, most likely those fake accounts will be located over here, so just tap on those, and then you could scroll through each of those names and see which one of those could be the fake account. Now that's easily going to be noticeable, especially if their username is something like this numbers over here, which doesn't really show you anything. And that's also another thing that you should look out for is when their names have, of course, some text on the first and maybe some random numbers like this one right here. So as you see, this could be a fake follower. So if you want to go ahead and, well, if you prefer to not allow them to follow you, just go ahead and tap on this profile, or rather tap on the three lines on the top or three dots on the top and tap on remove as followers so that you can remove those fake followers on your Instagram account. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.